Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to avoid unpaved roads on Waze. So, in order for you to proceed with this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, guys, once you are here on the Waze, you just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now here on the menu, you just simply go ahead and go for the settings right over here. Now here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the driving preferences category, and you will have an option over here, navigation. So now, once you are here on the navigation, you could just simply go ahead and go for unpaved roads over here. So go ahead and tap on unpaved roads and you will have multiple options. So guys, when you select allow over here, of course, it will let the Waze route you to any type of road. But if you go for don't allow, it will avoid unpaid roads as much as possible. And if you go for avoid long ones, Waze will skip a very long stretches of unpaid roads, but might route you through the shorter ones. But if you really want to avoid unpaved roads, make sure to select don't allowed. And pretty much if you go to the navigation settings, you should be able to avoid the other options as well. So you could filter out your map based on your own personal preferences. So pretty much over here, you can change on how the ways behave. So pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.